guys, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video. So I just got the Hero Art, I think it's their monthly kit or their monthly, I guess their box, whatever they call it. And I've never ordered from them before, so I'm super excited because this stuff is a lot of crafting supply things. So I just thought they were super cute. I got the kit and then a bunch of other add-ons. So the kit is $34.99 this month, and then I got 5 add-ons. So let me just walk you through this stuff. Okay, so then here is their card. MFT does one of these cards as well, and it just says, so you can do a My Monthly Hero Creativity in a Box, a subscription. Don't know why I couldn't say that word, sorry. It is auto-renewing for 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. So you get free domestic shipping, subscriber-only specials, and discounts. Best of all, you will never miss a kit. So here is the information. If any of you guys are interested in any of this, let me know. And then they have their hashtag up there. Sorry, I'm a little shaky for some reason. And I'll show you what I got. So, put this box down. It's trash day, so that's good, so I can go right into recycle. This is one of the add-ons. Now, I don't buy a lot of wood-mounted stamps just because you guys saw if you saw the craft room tour, the new craft room tour, even any of the old craft room tours, I always stored my wood stamps on, it is crown molding that we cut down. I think we got 2 pieces of it and cut it down into strips of 4. I don't know how long they are. I mean, if you guys want, I can measure them. But anyway, so I have them on either side of my room above the cubbies, and pretty much running out of room. There's not much. I'm looking at it right now and there's really not much room left. So also the wooden stamps are sometimes a little bit harder to stamp with, but I just thought this one was so adorable. And this is tin of brushes, and here is the number in case anyone is interested. I don't know if you can see that. It is K6357 tin of brushes. Super cute, so I thought that I can use this. And what I like to do with these a lot of the times is I heat these up and I actually take this off and I will use it in a Misty, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that for this or not. Super cute. Let's look at the kit, because this is how it comes. It's just wrapped in like brown wrapping. I don't know why I'm holding the scissors backwards. I'm not doing too well today. Okay. So some of these things in here I wasn't really thrilled about, but I wanted the stamps, and that's the only way you can get it. So there are some cute little clothespins in there. I'll definitely use those. This looks like washi tape, and it is purple. The girls will die over that. They will love it. Ah, purple glitter. They would love to get their hands on that. They're not going to because they'll make a mess. And then this is it looks like it might be kind of like a My Hero Arts. Oh. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. I'm not doing so great. I can't figure out how to open things. So this says adhesive tape. This is like washi. Oh my goodness. This is going to stay closed because if the girls get into this, it's going to be all over the place. And then the cats will be rolling in it. The cats will be glittered. And then this just says creativity in a box. It doesn't say what it is, but I think this is kind of like a Versamark pad. And then the cute little clothespins. So I can definitely do something with those. Love this. It is wrapped in some twine, some like baker's twine, and these are so cute. This is a huge stamp set. Look at it. And then all of the dies that come associated with this. I love this. I may have to get a new bin for the bookcase because now I have Kindred stamps and now Hero Art stuff. And if I love these, I probably will be ordering from Hero Arts more. So, but don't want to get ahead of myself. I already have so many companies that I order from, and I'm trying to cut back. It's not really working well. So this is the 6x6 background cling stamp, and this one is so cute. This is great for any crafting friends. So this one is your, let's see, is that the Crafting Tools Bold Print? I think this is the Crafting Tools Bold Print. So it's a red rubber stamp, and this one will actually, it's a cling, so that when you use your Misty or any other stamping tools, you take out the foam that's inside of it, and this one would just be so much fun to watercolor. I know that Jennifer McGuire did some backgrounds with this, and I absolutely loved it. Her videos are one of the reasons that I got this kit. Okay, this next one is, let me see if they have the names on these ones. This one is Stick Together Stamp and Dies, which is nice. I like that they have the dies. It's a smaller set, but then they have the dies associated with it, and I love that they have a little roll of washi tape. So I'm watching the girls tomorrow, so they are going to be so excited because I think I'm going to bring over some of these for them to stamp with. They've seen almost all of the Kindred stamps ones, and it's not that they don't love them, but they like, every time I come over, I have to have new things for them. And I do have to tell you, guys, I went over there last night and I did not bring crafting supplies. And the little one was so mad at me that she just was basically crying for 10-15 minutes because I didn't have any crafts for her to do. I said, we can find something here. No, you have to have your crafting stuff. So apparently my crafting stuff is better than hers, but yet I bought all the crafting stuff for her, pretty much, that she has. So anyway, they love their crafting stuff, so I will definitely be bringing some of this stuff over to them tomorrow so we can work on some projects. It doesn't really matter what they do, they just love having craft stuff to do. And this one is a 4x6 stamp set called Crafty Messages. So on here it says, crafty friends are the best of friends. When life gives you hands, make handmade. That's really cute. You're my inspiration. Stay crafty. Do what you love. I made this for you. Super cute. So I think that we're going to put I made this for you on the back of their cards, because they'll probably make some cards for my mom who's coming back from out of town soon, and try to think. Oh, they'll probably make something for their mom. They usually do. They usually make something for their mom or their dad. Their dad is their favorite person to make things for. So this one is Handmade Happiness, and it's cute. I've never seen anything like this, that they actually have hands actually making things. So you can put that on the front of the card. And then this one says, live, love, craft, craft like a boss, eat, sleep, craft, repeat, which is basically my life. Creativity is messy. That is my motto. Happiness is handmade, hello, and keep calm, craft on. Another motto. So that's it for the Hero Art stuff. I really, really love this, and I'm super excited to use this. There are so many icons for this. I saw a couple people did backgrounds with these ones, and I'm super excited to use that. I would love to do some watercoloring. I haven't really done a lot of watercoloring lately, so love to do something with that, with these stamps. And I love that they come with the dies as well, so that if you didn't want to use them for a background and you want to use them for a focal image. And honestly, $35 for this, some glitter, some washi tape with with the dies. I guess this is like an embossing ink, and these, that's really not a bad price, $35. So, and then of course, to get the free shipping, which is with $50 for US only, I had to get a couple extra things, but I do love these add-ons that I was able to get. I do like that they have a kit and then add-ons each month. It's almost like the Concord and Ninth stuff that they do. They do kind of a turnabout kit or a kit each month, and then you can order everything else. So it's similar to that, but I'm really excited to try these out. I will be doing some projects with these. And guys, before I go real quick, I wanted to show you, I was working on some of the Kindred stamps images last night, and the other, it might have all just been last night. And I did this little guy here. How cute. I'm trying to learn to do hair. I'm not great with hair, and I really, really want to learn, because I want some texture and dimension and make it I want it to look like real hair. So I found a couple of YouTube videos last night, and this little girl, on how to do it, and I just need an image to practice on, because she had one with like a ton of hair, and you could really do the highlights and lowlights. This one, she's missing a little leg. My brother Scan and Cut cuts out pretty good most of the time, but if you have too many images on one page, I think that it kind of, sometimes you can't zoom in on an image just to cut that image out. So I think that I'm going to start doing less images on a page. And this one, I love the way his hat came out. And I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but in real life it actually looks, it almost looks like leather. So I'm loving that. And then this one, this is the only one I did not post up to Instagram. So I did this one last night with some glitter glue to put on there for the top of her pants to make them sparkle, and then just a little bit on her top. So those are the ones that I did. So just a couple of quick coloring things. Trying to get better at Copics. I definitely am not a master. I wouldn't even attempt to show you guys because I kind of just do some basic things, and I don't think that anybody really wants to follow the way that I color because it's not proper. So thanks for listening to this long rambling video and looking at the stuff that I just got. I will be making more videos with this kind of stuff, and I will be posting, if the girls use this stuff tomorrow, I will be posting pictures on Instagram of the stuff that they made because I'm super proud of them. They love, if you saw my Instagram posts, they are proficient with the Misty. They absolutely love that thing, and they know that I have to ink it up with the black ink, so they do that, and then they want to color the images the proper way. You know, they ask me to Google every character and show them exactly what colors, and then they use their colored pencils, and I'm so proud of them. They're really coloring. They're 4. They stay within the lines, and they want it to look exactly like the character. One of them is more specific than the other, but the other one kind of is now getting that. So I'm just super proud of the way that they're becoming like little artists. So they love crafting with me, so I will take that for as long as they're willing to craft with me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this pretty long haul video. If you have any comments or questions or want to see any of the supplies used, feel free to leave me a message or leave me a comment or send me a message, and I will see you guys again real soon for a project.